Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is not going to be a very regular vlog or video that usually goes up on my channel. Many of you, I guess, have already heard about the current situation of West Bengal, Odisha and Bangladesh, the places that has been hit hard by the super cyclone Amphan, and the trail of this super monster Amphan has left my city into bits and pieces. Today is 21st of May and I'm talking to you guys when the time is exactly 9 o'clock, and the entire day we spent watching news and updates, since the city, the place and the regions which are hit hard by the cyclone are isolated because there is no electricity, there is no stable network connection, and also there are interruptions in mobile networks. I guess after today I'll count this day as one of the most anxious days of my life. The photos and the videos, those are going viral on internet, on the news medias. It's really disturbing, and I cannot think of the people who lives in the coastal area who have lost their homes in this situation, and who are homeless, who are jobless, because a lot of people, their local shops are being disrupted. Farmers जिनके crops, ज़मीन सब कुछ चला गया है बारिश में, cyclone की वजह से. I cannot even think that what these people are going through, and also the people who are stuck in the situation since there is no stable water, electricity supply. Already we were all going through a very hard time due to COVID-19. We were all stuck in our homes and separated from our loved ones. But this situation, the after effect of this cyclone, have put the people of West Bengal, Odisha and the other places which are being affected by Amphan, I guess in a situation which I cannot even think of right now. And as I said, this will be counted as the most anxious days of my life, because there are people who are stuck in that situation, and there are also people like us who are spending every moment in anxiousness and sleepless nights, because our parents are stuck in that situation too. It is like 10 to 15 times I try and then I get to talk to my dad. I was trying to reach my dad since this afternoon, and I finally got to speak to him at around 8:30 in the evening. Yeah, he is safe now, though there is no cable internet or stable mobile network connection, but the basic requirements like power supply and water supply is there, so that gave me some peace of mind. I already have a edited vlog which was supposed to go up this morning, but I have decided to postpone that for some time now, because I am not in a state of mind to post a very happy normal regular vlog at this point of time. Maybe in another 2-3 days I'll be able to post it once I see the situation coming back to normal and I get some strength back. What else I could say. I don't know, I have no clue. I think I'm just blabbering in front of the camera, so just to keep it short. So my friends who are watching this video right now from the affected areas, it means you guys are able to reconnect yourself to the world. So stay strong guys, do not lose hope. Our prayers are always with you. So hopefully things will be normal really soon. We'll all stay together, we'll all stay strong. And viewers from rest of the India, please send your prayers to my friends who are stuck in these affected zones. Saying that, I'm signing off as of now. Hopefully we'll be back real soon with the regular energy, with the regular videos. Till then, you all stay safe, stay strong.